What's going on, Vibers? It's your boy J.S. Vaughn. And guess what, y'all? We back with another one. Today's track is called Animals by your boys, by the band, I think, Architects. You know what I mean? Let's jump right into it, fam. Let's go. Hold up, man. First of all, do you hear that? Yo, put your headphones on, fam. I gotta tell you, you're gonna need your headphones for this jump off right here. You know, I already see it. I already hear the vibe. I already feel the vibes and whatnot. Get your headphones on, ladies and gentlemen. Stop fucking around. Let's go.
I do my best, but everything seems ominous. Not feeling blessed, quite the opposite. This shouldn't feel so monotonous. It never rains, but it pours.
That shit is crazy, man. This shouldn't feel so monotonous. It's like, yo, shouldn't feel like this. You know what I mean? This feeling that I'm feeling, it's not right. You know what I mean? So let's discover why it's not fucking right.
It never rains, but it pours. We're just a bunch of fucking animals. We're afraid of the outcome. Don't cry to me, because the fiction that we're living in says I should pull the pin.
What? Don't cry because the fiction that we're living in says I should pull a pin. What is that? What does that pull a pin mean? Like I'm not too sure about that. It sounds dark. You know what I mean?
That we're living in says I
I
should
should
pull
pull
the
a
pin.
pin. Alright, so the first one is like, says I should pull a pin. And the second one, where it says, should I just pull a pin? It's a question, you know what I mean? So he's asking the audience, he asking whoever's fucking listening to this shit, should I fucking pull a pin now? You know what I mean? Should I just pull a pin? Should I just pull a pin?
I dug my heels, I thought that I could stop the road.
I dug my heels. I thought that I could stop the rot.
Heels, I thought that I could stop the road. The girl gave way, now I've lost the plot. Fucked it again, that was all I've got.
He said, fucking again, that was all I've got. It never rains, but it pours.
Fucked it again, that was all I've got. It never rains, but it pours.
I think the whole thing about like it never rains, but it pours and whatnot, yo. Because he's like comparing freaking rain to pain. You know what I mean? But it's not rain. It's like, yo, look, it never rains, but it pours. So like it's like kind of like, yo, the emotions that's going through him is like fucking a rainstorm and shit, but it's not really raining outside type shit. You know what I mean? But let's go.
It never rains, but it pours.
just a fucking animal. Only afraid of the outcome. What's the outcome?
Don't cry to me because the fiction that we live in says I should pull the pin. Buried under the diamond in the mud.
Okay, so the first one, I gotta go back, guys. I do this shit a lot. You know what I mean? This is what I fucking do. So if you having problems with this, I apologize, man. The first one was like, I dig my heels. I thought that I could stop the rot. You know what I mean? So he's feeling like his soul is getting rotten and whatnot. So he's digging his in whatever. The second one, he says, buried under dirt now. The diamond is in the mud, you know what I mean? So it's like, oh.
Buried under dirt, a diamond in the mud. Infinity is waiting there 'cause nobody can burn past cathedral.
This is fucking some ear candy, yo. Boy, hold up, yo! I'm telling you. Alright, after the first one, it says life is like a dream within you know what I mean? So he says life is like a dream within right now. You see that the progression of the track is getting more fucking outrageous, you know what I mean? The energy is getting more freaking flexed and shit. Cause in the second verse it says dream within a dream within you know what I mean? So it's getting deeper now, you know what I mean? The point that he's trying to make, I don't know what the fuck point he's trying to make, but it's getting deeper, you know what I mean? I understand that aspect of it though, you know what I mean? Let's go. A dream within motherfucking animal. That's the point. We just a bunch of fucking animals. You know what I mean? We thinking and we move off of instinct. You know what I mean? Let's go.
We're just a bunch of fucking animals.
But the outcome.
Don't cry to me because the fiction that we living in
Says I should pull a pin. We just a bunch of fucking animals, but we afraid of the outcome.
Don't cry to me because the fiction that we living in
Says I should pull a pin. I love that line. I love that shit, man. That line right there says I should pull a pin. I like that, boy. I don't know. I like that shit, yo. It sounds good. It feels good. You know what I mean? Says I should pull a pin. I should pull a pin. Says I should pull a pin.
should I just pull the pin? 'Cause nobody can buy. Should I just pull the pin?
Yo, this is a dope track. You hear me? This is a dope track right here. You know what I mean? The energy coming out this shit is like fucking ridiculous. You know what I mean? My ears is like freaking ringing happy fucking melodies and shit. You know what I mean? Like freaking, it's fucking beautiful. The energy is like so freaking intoxicating and whatnot. And like I'm just saying, like it's a dope ass track. The energy alone is what freaking drives me. And the chorus, oh my fucking gosh. Yeah, the chorus is fucking beautiful as well. You know what I mean? I gotta say, this track gets me hype. You know what I mean? Um, but I'm be honest with you and whatnot. I'm gonna play over and over and over to actually get the true message. But hold up, if there's a shortcut to this and whatnot, if you guys could explain to me in detail what the track it really means. But I feel like it's like yo on some real shit that we are moving in this planet. This is what I think it is. We are moving on this planet like animals and shit. You know what I mean? And but the thing about it, we fear the fact that we're doing that. You know what I mean? We can't cope with that, but that is exactly what we're doing. That's my concept. But like that's what I think it's about. You know what I mean? I'm not too sure about that. That's why I'm asking you guys for your interpretation of this song. You know what I mean? Tell me what you guys feel. Tell me what you got from it because like that's what I got from it. You know what I mean? Put it down there in the comment section and whatnot. You know what I mean? And fill me in if you feel the same as me or if you got a different viewpoint and you want to share it with me. Hell dope. You know what I mean? Besides that, you know what I mean? I just want to tell you if you guys want more from the architects and whatnot, or any other type of videos, do put it down there in the comment section all day long. You know what I mean? And I'll get to it as soon as possible. This right here is my motherfucking thumb. You know what I'm about to say? I need y'all to take y'all thumbs and throw it all the way up to the motherfucking sky. Smack that like button real nice and hard, man. Show me some love and support in that way. You know what I mean? Another way you guys can show me some love and support is by subscribing to the channel right down there. Easy as motherfucking pie. You know what I mean? Show me some love and support and like show me some love and support like that. And another way you can show me some love and support is by subscribing and sharing it with your friends in the same token. I'm bugging. You know what I mean? That's about it. I'm gonna check you guys out next time with the next video. Peace out, all love and I'm out. Man, I just glitched like a motherfucker, man. But anyways, man, have a good one. I'm out. You already know, fam. Let's